Good morning, guys. Good morning again. How are you doing? All right, so this morning, what I want to talk about is letting go. And seeing that for the past few videos, I've been talking about starting anew, starting over, start anytime, and also stop watching the crowd. And your time will come when it's your time. We need to let go of bad behavior, let go of past, let go of the past. We need to let go of certain friendship. We need to let go of certain relationship. We need to let go of certain family. Let go. Whatever your problem is or whatever is affecting your life, let go of it. Because you see, when we let go, and it's just like decluttering. We always say when we declutter from the house, we're trying to bring in new things. So when we let go, we're trying to bring in new people in our life as well, because sometimes the people that are in our life now, it not work. Yeah, them not work now. So really and truly, we have to learn to let go. We need to let go. Oh, every morning I pass right here, I realize the sun. So I try to block it. Alright, so we need to let go and let go of our bad ways, let go of our dirty habits. So sometimes we wake up in the morning, the first thing we do is take up our phone. We can let go of that. Give God thanks, say a morning prayer, exercise, have a routine. So alright, we can also let go of fear, because right now persons are walking past me, them hear me talk. Yeah, it's like I'm gaining that confidence. So let go of things that don't affect you. Alright, as I said, I'm walking to work. I'm going to share something positive each morning with you. So letting go. What else can we let go of? Let go of not doing something. Yeah, we can let go of not doing something. So if we say we want to do something, we can start doing it. So you see it coming with start anytime. Yeah, so let go and start. All right, so I wish you all the best, guys. And it's like when I say I'm going to take you through a day at work with me, it's hard. It's hard. It's very hard. So I see a taxi and I run it down. Him say it too. Don't want to keep up in time. So I'm not going to drop either. Good morning. Oh gosh. No stop. Okay, no traffic. Traffic look up. Let's see what time. Oh yeah, 35. Maybe I can reach for the 9. Yeah, so let's learn to let go and let go. That's what we need to do, let go sometimes. Stop holding on upon things where we don't need to hold on upon. Yeah. Stop holding on upon things where we don't need to hold on upon. So that. Alright, so lunch. Yeah? But I to go ask Shade. How much you want? Let me go check. Tell her, hold on. Shade? Where are you? You know their lunch? Amelia. We have a come today and tomorrow. I saw me there again I buy lobster day. When I go see the vlog before this one, when I look about the lobster, they're very fleshy. I remember someone can follow him at Journey to Believe. Yeah, Journey to Believe on YouTube. Him do the diving them and them type of catching and stuff. So now if you go visit him or call him, I go put him business card so they can call him. So I go show him business card so they can call him here. Business here. Progressive Youth Seafood, Lobster and Crab, Journey to Believe, YouTube 4928154. Call him and order on the crab. Very fleshy and nice. Alright? Alright, so I don't want the big giant one, them, you know. I don't want whole leaf.
Much of a pound?
Give me 2 pounds. I don't want one but take up 1 pound.
Yeah. No, 2 pounds already still.
Eh?
So 2 pounds I have in my hand, but I look at a smaller one.
All them big one here. Blood fire. So you go restaurant and so go sell too?
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah.
So when you catch them here, while ago?
Fresh this morning. Yeah, live one me I sell the quality Chinese.
You know I work, the follow? I mean I go. Oh yeah, she just start something there. So you go something there? You should buy no, you can go in my fridge today already. In my freezer and store today already. Okay. Alright, so you have the number, you can call it already.
It's about
that's in there 2 pounds now?
extra.
So much for all of that?
I want 2 of it.
2 pounds?
Yeah, brother.
Alright. She gone? She not nothing, no. We can't go really tell them no, you know. Minus 150. What that person just from? Tomorrow. Cookbook here, I see this, the lobster macaroni and cheese. So I feel like I'm gonna tweak it. When I feel like I'm gonna use the Mexican cheese here, I might just use Parmesan or the mozzarella. Yeah, I like this one. I'm gonna do this. And also So for what I purchased today, as usual, I got some fruits. So I got that bag of apple, grape. I got 2 bags of lemon. with 2 apple in it as well. I did get them 2 apple there. I'm not paying up to them. Alright, so I get 2 bag of lemon, and as well I got lobster. So I got more lobster today. As you can see from the lobster guy, buy the small set then. I'll show you. $1,000. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 3, and 3, 6, and 3, 6, so 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, I'm gonna get 12 for $1,000. Alright, 12 for $1,000. The grape, I get a bag of grape here for $1,000 as well. $1,000 for a bag of grape here. The fruits man who I buy from, him no exact. I'm always say, because him always get sales from me or when he come. And then these lemon I normally use like the juice. Oh, there's juice in there, so yeah, the lemon they really juicy, so I just arrest them right there. So yep, so that's that.